Come, get over here and let's all learn how to make banana nut bread. Here are the things that you'll need. Use buttermilk or buttermilk substitute set aside for later. In a large mixing bowl, peel the overripe bananas. Pour the melted, unsalted butter. Add the granulated or brown sugar. Mash and mix them completely. Crack and add the egg. Next is the vanilla extract. Then add the buttermilk or buttermilk substitute. In a sifter, put the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, and salt. Carefully sift them into the wet mixture. Mix it well, but do not overmix. Overmixing the batter may result in a dense texture. Then add the chopped walnuts and the bittersweet chocolate chips if there are any. Mix it until well combined. Pour the batter into the glass bakeware or pan half full. Top with the remaining walnuts and chocolate chips. Bake them for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 1 hour, insert a wooden stick. The bread is done when it comes out clean. Go ahead and remove the bread from the oven. Allow to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then carefully insert a butter knife on all sides to easily remove the bread when you flip it over. Place the bread on a wire rack and continue to cool down for 10 more minutes. There you have it, my banana nut bread. Serve warm and enjoy!
Well done.